Welcome everybody, we're at a new video on this super hot July at the St. Louis Car Museum, second annual car show. This is a really neat place out in St. Louis, Missouri that does consignment cars, classics to modern. But they got this great gathering here today. I'm going to just go ahead and do a walk around and show everybody all the very huge diversity of cars that showed up. So this is their overflow parking. They got so many cars here today that they weren't expecting this many. All right. That's cool. Ooh, this place is packed with cars back here. Once I came back here the first time. I like this new Ford Roush edition. It's really neat. I wonder if it's the stock suspension. I'm not sure. Let me know down in the comments if you know. I don't know if they added that yellow guard splitter protector or if that's the takeoff one. I'm not even sure. How about this? That's a very old Dodge. Nice. That old school early 80s interior. Some high-end Porsches, Mercedes, AMG. Oh, yeah, pretty. Both of them. Trike. Alright. This Subaru sounded good when he was pulling in, passing us. Blue suede center, that's sweet. I know it's not suede, but it's still neat. Get a little further away here. So like I was saying, this is only the overflow, so we still got quite a bit to go. Now there's something you don't see every day. This is Volvo's answer to the Ford Focus. I believe these are all-wheel drive. Man, that guy has a dirty windshield though. Yeah, they're neat. They're really neat cars, aren't they? But this is the car you can pick up. You can pick these up and comparable to a Focus. Price range, all-wheel drive, I believe, and lots of power. Yeah, that car's, I know, it's so nice. Yeah, beautiful, modern interior.
Well, Shelby was a completely different brand.
I didn't see that Volvo pull in. Probably glows in the dark, that Corvette. You see the wheels on the back of that car? You see that? Oh my gosh. What are the... What's the width of those tires? What are they? What's the width with them? Woo! Look at that. I don't think that car's slow. By any means. We already got some kettle corn. It was delicious. Sweet and warm on this hot day. Perfect addition to any car show. All right, so here's the let me get up and down these rows here. Show you guys some more diversity. That's the beauty of these car shows. It's diverse. There's actually two new Corvettes here. These Porsches just pulled up. Little Volkswagen group just rolled in together. You know, that's my passion. Is Nice little all black Airton. This was in the Ayrton's trunk when it got here. I got a nice soft spot in me for that Mustang. That is amazing looking. I would drive it every day.
You leaving?
957 looks good.
No.
For a second annual show, they filled up their overflow lot of spectators too. All right, let's go catch the Corvette Row here. These guys all rolled in together. We got two new Corvettes here right now, but not to downplay any of these. They're all amazing. Let's take a walk back up this row. Let's head over here to an Eagle. Now here's our first, me and Hope's first look at the new Corvette in person. So my initial impressions are, look how sunken the wheels are. This needs some spacers badly. And it looks like it's jacked up four-wheel drive. I know they have that, some of them you can buy that automatic front lift and speed bump thing, whatever it is, but this thing just looks jacked front and rear. And the offset on these wheels is terrible, but I understand manufacturer specs, but man. So, nice little row of vets. And then this silver one just pulled in. I wish he would have parked next to me in the Supra, but I'm happy with having a convertible Chevy next to me. Here's the Supra. Clean for the show. So that is a rolling cocktail bar with their own seating. Oh, there's my other soft spot in cars, the Lotus Elises. Tiny but pocket little car. I would love to own one still. That's the DeLorean's been here a whole bunch of times. No, I'm kidding. I don't know. This guy is purple and this guy is purple. I think they went to the same painter. But, you know, there's a gremlin. And next to it is another gremlin. Those cars still get a lot of attention. They brought some fire trucks out here for the kiddies. Yeah, I caught it in the back lot. Volkswagen engine. Very cool Volkswagen. Yeah. Be just like what would be in a Beetle.
Oh, I like this little Cadillac.
Oh yeah, four-door. And I gotta do some service to my Supra bloodline here. This is a St. Louis staple. This guy's been around a long time running this car, racing. Scoot back here for you guys to get a good look at it. Sorry about that generator noise. Food truck. Well, it's a constant evolving car show as people park and get overheated and then leave. Hey, there's that Jeep leaving. That's a neat Jeep truck. But yeah, I'm gonna put a wrap on this. I hope you guys enjoy this little video of another car show with a lot of diversity, and that's what we like in car shows. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll make some more videos. Catch y'all later.